Hello class. We have been discussing unit 2 of marketing management, where I have just started different marketing function, where in this particular unit we require to discuss two important function of marketing, that is marketing mix, and second it is market segmentation. Under marketing mix, I told what is marketing mix. McCarthy's concept of marketing mix, he talked about 4 pieces of marketing: product, price, place and promotion mix. I probably discussed, yes, really I discussed the product mix. I completed last class. In product mix, I told you different components of product mix, where I discussed packaging, branding, labeling. In detail I discussed and gave you the notes. I think labeling portion I have not sent, I wrongly sent you the notes. Today only I will send the labeling notes, and whatever I will discuss today, that portion I also will send you. So students, as far as today's class is concerned, we are there at marketing mix. Product, marketing mix stands for 4 pieces of marketing. Product mix is over. Second it is price mix. Third is place mix, and next is promotion mix. As far as today's class is concerned, today I will explain what is price mix and what is its importance in the overall objective of, in order to achieve the overall objective of the organization. So what is price and what is pricing? Let me tell you very clear. Price is nothing but adding a money value, associating a money value which is highly required for producer, because through which the producer can earn the profit. What is price? Price is also known as the money on which the producer is ready to sell its product to the end consumer or to the middleman, customers, retailer to the distributor. What is price and what is its importance? This is about price. What is pricing? Pricing is a function. Price means money, the amount of money that is there associated with the product, on the ground which the producer offer and the consumer purchase. What is pricing? Pricing is a function of marketing, crucial function of marketing, which speaks about setting up of price. It is the process of setting price. It is not like setting up pricing. It's very tough and tactical decision for every producer, every marketer. We can't blink down our eyes and we set the price whatever we like, without understanding the condition of market, without understanding the condition of the consumers and customer, without understanding, the competitor status, without understanding our cost of production, cost of marketing. We can't blink down our eyes and set a price that we like. In fact, setting up a price is a strategical issue at the present time. So what is pricing? Pricing is the procedure of establishing a price on which the consumer or the customer will able to afford for it. It's a tactical issue at the present time. As far as the pricing strategy is concerned, it is a strategical issue, particularly in the country like India. The pricing is very tactical, very crucial, because Indian market is a very price sensitive market where the number of middle class is measured. The number of middle class are measured. They are not ready to spend. Although they have spending capability, but they are not ready to spend a whole sum of their income on a particular ground. Understand what I am talking? So, setting up a pricing is a very crucial and strategic issue for the producer. What is pricing? Pricing is an action. Pricing is a procedure of setting price by understanding different factors related to market, related to customer, related to producer, related to product, and related to other environmental sources which affect the price of the marketer. So this is what is pricing is all about. In simple term, if we will talk about price or pricing, it is nothing but amount of money that consumer ready to sacrifice or customer is ready to sacrifice for the sake of incurring the product for its use. Or you can say pricing is the amount of money, a value which the producer ready to sell in the prevailing territory, means market, is known as pricing. I think it is now clear to you what is the difference between price and pricing. Price means a value, pricing means the procedure of setting value. So what is pricing mix and how it is important in all other mix? Students, if you will talk about product mix, place mix, promotion mix, it is the three, all of these are important. Product mix, for which marketer, producer require to spend money in order to incur product, right from market research to manufacturing and distribution of good to the end consumer. तो प्रोड्यूसर स्पेंड मनी, इन्वेस्ट मनी, खर्च करता है, पैसा जाता है कहां पे? प्रोडक्ट मिक्स में. प्लेस मीन्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, प्रोडक्शन एक जगह पे हुआ, कंजप्शन दूसरे एंड पे हुआ, तो प्रोड्यूसर से कंज्यूमर तक प्रोडक्ट कैसे पहुंचेगा? हाउ कैन इट रीच, हाउ कैन इट विल रीच टू ए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन? उसके लिए भी प्रोड्यूसर को खर्च करना पड़ता है. इट इज ऑल्सो ए बर्डन लाइक प्रोडक्ट. फॉर मार्केटर प्रोडक्ट मिक्स इज अ बर्डन, इट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट. प्लेस मिक्स अगेन इज ए बर्डन एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट. प्रमोशन लाइक एडवर्टाइजमेंट करो, सेल्स प्रमोशन करो, कोई सेलिब्रिटी को अपॉइंट करो कि तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट को, ब्रांड को वो प्रमोट करे, कोई भी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर को चूज करना, उसके लिए पैसा दो, पब्लिसिटी के लिए पैसा दो, isn't it? सेल्समैन को पैसा देके भेजो, इट इज ऑल्सो इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग रियली, दैट प्रोडक्ट मिक्स, प्लेस मिक्स, प्रमोशन मिक्स, these three are the investment piece, investment concepts. Understand? But pricing mix or price mix is that element, that component of marketing mix which ensures profit, revenue generation. This is the element, this is that particular important element which ensures revenue. You must know what is revenue. Revenue is cost plus profit. Understand? So through pricing only, firm covers up the product cost, distribution cost, advertisement cost. So without price, no firm, no business firm, no company could be able to sustain or survive in the prevailing market conditions. So what I can say, market is survivability of any product, any company, any firm, business firm. It depends upon the strategy of pricing, because through which this pricing strategy will only ensures the survivability, growth, objective of the business firm, growth, expansion, diversification, innovation, that I discussed in managerial economics, the objective of business. Understand? So all the objective of the firm, profitability, profit maximization, everything would be rationalized possible through our pricing mix only. So every firm give much importance on this particular element. So while deciding upon a price, every firm, business firm, has to be very careful, very cautious. In the country like India, where competition is very high, you will find the people of residing of different financial background. If you will divide the financial status, financial class, you will find upper class, upper class, lower upper class, middle class, upper middle class, lower middle class, lower class, upper lower class, lower class. 6 type of group of class of consumer you will find. You can't set a single price, single value for every section of the society. So pricing the economic status and the condition of different class of consumers, customers, understanding the quality of product you produce, the quality of service you offer, you require to set your price. Third, the competitor's price has to be properly evaluated, properly understood before setting up of its price. So understanding the price, understanding the price of your competitor, price of the competitor is quite highly important for every producer, marketer to understand before, because a small wrong decision made by the producer, marketer regarding price, a little bit high price, then usually if you will set, then this will distract your existing consumers and will stop generating new consumers from there. So while deciding, setting your price, you must be very cautious, very careful. Marketer has to be very careful before setting up of its price. So I say that this particular P is the most important one of all others. So students, today I will discuss that different form of price. Different form of prices. So if you will talk about terms and names of price, sometimes consumer use different words and different terms for the amount that he really pay. For example, suppose we want to purchase a product, we require to pay its price. So you can say this is MRP or maximum retail price. But for every product that we consume, not necessarily we will use MRP. Understand what I am talking? Sometimes instead of using the word MRP, we use P. I will explain one by one. Fee can also be a form of price. Commission also a form of price. Next, it can be rent, can also a form of price. We can say that salary or wage is also a form of price that usually we term differently for different situation, different cases. So not necessary that every time we pay price in order to get anything. Understand? If we go to purchase a product of any type into a store, so we usually ask its price. But whenever we go for getting a service, shall we say the same thing? What is your price? Suppose I go to a lawyer for consultation, legal consultation. I will go to an advocate. Shall I ask that what is your price? If you will ask, he may take it negatively. He may take anything else. Understand what I am talking? In that case, we may not use the same term price. That case, we can say that it's fee. What we can say? Consultation fee, it's also a price. So term is same, but meaning is same, but term are different. So it can be called fee. Whenever we go to a we can say either fee or we can say rental. Understand? Rental. Services ask rental. Okay. Monthly rental. Whenever we go to suppose we go to a chartered accountant, we ask for his service, his consultation, his tax consultation, or any other financial advices or consultation we go for, we usually ask for its consultation fee. Understand? If we use a telephone, a mobile phone, we pay postpay on bill. What bill we pay on internet? What bill we pay? It is also a price, but it is we required to use the word, rental. Understand? So this is also a term that usually the marketer use instead of the word price. The marketer use the word fee or rental. Next is commission. Sometimes we require to pay commission other than price. So whenever some middleman associate with the availability of the product, some middleman, some broker, if you agent, if you want to incur a product through an agent, through a broker, that particular time the amount whatever is actual you require to pay. Apart from that, you require to pay certain commission to that broker or agent, and price also covers that financial transaction. Understand? So it sometimes we may not consider it as a price, but it is also a form of a price. Next it is rent. Third one is rent. Rent not necessary. You sometimes we take it as a rent, or you can say lease cost. Understood? Sometimes we use any property, any asset without owning or purchasing it. We set certain contract. some agreement we do with the owner of that asset, and we use it for a certain time period, and for that reason we take service, and that for that service we require to pay certain amount of money to the leaser or to the owner of the property. So what do we pay? We also pay price for that. Understood? So the money, amount of money that we pay in that case may not be a one-time payment. It may be one-time pay, or sometimes it may be an installment pay. Understood? Installment means month-wise, or in tri-month, or for a year or annum we require to pay it. Understand? This is also we pay price for certain other purposes. Next it is salary and wage. Whenever we require to get any service, employment service from anybody, any person, it may be a worker, maybe a blue collar worker, or maybe a white collar employee. It doesn't mean. But whenever we employ some people, we get some service from them. So what we require to pay them? Business pay them price in the form of salary, wage, bonus. It may be gratuity, allowance, everything the business firm required to pay to all the different, different employees of different grade. Understood? So you can say salary also a price that business pay, or any person pay to another person, or any organization pay to its employee for the purpose of earning or getting its service. Also, you see, this is different terms and forms of price. Understood? Different forms of price. I just would like to add few other forms of price, like premium. Whenever we purchase some, policy, maybe some life insurance policy or some general insurance policy, or if we like to purchase something like certain property related policy that we do, we get some service from that particular company. They give you some coverage, and whenever they offer or provide some coverage on certain property, what do they offer? We require to pay some money to them, and I can't say I am paying fee, or I am paying a price, or I am paying rental. Instead of which I require to speak, it's a premium. So whenever the company, business firm pay premium to different insurance companies for their services, for their life or property coverage services, safety secure services, they require to pay price in form of premium. Sometimes we pay interest also. Interest on the loan, interest on the money that we take on credit, interest on install EMI. Sometimes we pay whenever we purchase anything on whenever you purchase any asset on credit, and then you on loan, then you require to pay some EMIs, installment payments. So in that particular case, whatever money you pay back to the debtor, to the financial institution, um, you required to pay interest on the amount of money that you really taken in the form of loan or credit. Understood? तुम जितने पैसे लिए उतने पैसे तो तुम उसको रिटर्न नहीं कर दोगे, उसके ऊपर कुछ तो तुम्हें इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा ना. तो that interest also price, you pay price for the money that you taken in the form of credit. Understood? So it is also, you can say, it's a price you are paying to the. These are the different forms of pricing. I think the pricing mix is clear. This particular pricing mix is there in unit 3. I will go in detail of pricing mix. I don't want to continue more on here. So I will jump next class, place mix. In detail I will explain this. Promotion mix, it is there in unit 4. I will not explain in detail. Only product and promotion is there in unit 3 and 4. I will explain in detail product and promotion, but product and price is there in unit 3 and 4. I will explain in detail in upcoming time. Place, promotion, next class onward I will go in detail in this unit. Thank you very much for having patience and observing my class and lecture. Hope you understood this particular concept, and I will offer you the note. Go in detail, go through it, understand it. If any doubt occurs in between, then you can call me or you can clarify through Google Meet. Thank you very much.